Watch this mechanical view counter spin up, hit a wall, and jam. For many creators, this is exactly what happens to metrics after hitting publish. You might spend days editing a high-quality video, only to watch the impressions flatline. The problem usually isn't the content itself. The friction often comes from default upload configurations hidden inside the mobile app. We are going to bypass these defaults by optimizing 3 specific parameters. We will force full-resolution files, pinpoint your cultural demographic, and activate automated translation. If you leave these settings alone, the algorithm defaults to testing your work on the wrong audience in compressed quality. You have to configure the system, or the system will configure you for failure. This is a standard mobile video application feed. This is where most creators begin their upload process, completely unaware of the active region lock. To fix it, tap your profile icon, open the settings gear, and select General. Look closely at the location field. By default, the application often assigns your region as the United States, even if your content is intended for elsewhere. When that happens, the system takes your content, for example, a vlog in Hindi, and tests its performance on viewers in North America to gauge initial interest. This chart illustrates the result. Because the audience doesn't understand the language, they scroll past, dropping the click-through rate. The system interprets these negative signals as a lack of relevance, restricting further reach. Stop this from happening by swapping the default United States setting to your actual local region, like India, and confirming the change. Now the algorithm knows exactly where to route the data. It will push your next upload to an audience that speaks your language and understands your cultural context. Aligning your content's language with the correct geographic audience prevents immediate viewer rejection and provides the stable data needed for the video to perform. Step 2 requires navigating slightly further down the settings menu into the video and audio performance section. Imagine your video file as this wide beam of light. Mobile apps use hidden data-saving protocols to force that beam through a tiny nozzle, compressing the file during upload to save bandwidth. That compression takes a crisp, high-definition edit and strips out the detail, resulting in a pixelated final product for the viewer. Platforms prefer high-definition videos because sharp visuals are more likely to keep viewers engaged, which allows the system to serve more advertisements. This menu outlines the platform's resolution caps. You will find options for 360p, 480p, 720p, 1080p, and full quality. Explicitly bypass the numbered resolutions and select the full quality option to override the data saver. Selecting this ensures the application uploads the exact file you rendered without downgrading the resolution. Pristine visual quality reduces friction for the viewer. By maximizing the clarity of the source file, you increase the probability of high retention, the primary metric used by the algorithm to justify further promotion. We are now leaving the standard viewing app and opening the separate Creator Studio application to access the back-end management tools. Once inside the Studio app, tap your profile settings and enter the content management section. Toward the bottom, find the feature labeled Automatic Dubbing. This globe visualizes how the platform's AI takes your single audio track and translates it into multiple foreign languages on the fly. Turn the feature on and select Auto Publish Recommended, so the AI handles the rollout without waiting for your manual approval. A viewer in another country can now hear your video translated into their native language, increasing global watch time without any extra editing on your part. Removing the language barrier at the technical level multiplies your potential audience reach overnight. Your backend is now secure. Your channel targets the correct demographic. Your uploads preserve full resolution, and the AI translates your voice for a global audience. Your next step is to initiate a new upload today. Give the algorithm a fresh data set so it can begin processing these updated parameters. This thumbnail leads to our complete A to Z monetization guide. Click it to map out the process from your first upload to your first bank deposit. Mastering these back-end configurations transforms a basic upload into a repeatable technical system for channel growth.